Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Linksys RE6500 Wi-Fi extender with this complete step-by-step guide. We'll cover everything from plugging it in and connecting it to your router, to using the setup page for a quick and easy installation. Let's get started. Unpack your extender. Begin by unboxing your Linksys RE6500 extender and ensuring all components are included, such as the device and any documentation, so you're ready to start the setup process smoothly. First, plug in the extender. Connect the antennas and plug in the range extender midway between your router and the area without Wi-Fi. Using your mobile device or laptop, be sure you have at least 2 bars, around 50%, of your router's Wi-Fi signal at that location. The setup software will help you find the right place if you have trouble. Second, indicator LED. Wait for a blinking orange light. It could take up to a minute for the light on the top of the range extender to change from blinking white to blinking orange. Third, connect to the extender's network. Connect to the range extender a computer, phone or tablet. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Linksys extender setup, XXX. XXX are the last 3 digits of your range extender's MAC address, which can be found on the bottom of the range extender. Fourth, access the setup page. Launch setup. Enter http://extender.linksys.com in a browser to complete setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your network to extend, customize your extended network name and password, and find the best spot using Spot Finder technology. Fifth, complete the setup. Once you have entered the necessary information, the extender will connect to your router. Wait for the setup to complete, and the LED indicator should turn solid white, indicating a successful connection. Your Linksys RE6500 setup is now complete. Enjoy expanded Wi-Fi coverage, stronger signals, and seamless connectivity throughout your home. Stream, browse, and work without interruptions, as your network now delivers a faster and more reliable wireless experience. If you are unable to set up your Linksys RE6500 Wi-Fi extender or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.